Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel and my Facebook page. I appreciate you guys. Today's recipe is banga soup with tash. Today's recipe is Easter special. Yes, I am going to show you how I prepare this delicious easy soup. Don't miss this video for anything. Watch till the end. So as you can see, I have my goat's meat here already washed. I added my onions, bouillon powder, seasoning, that's Maggi cubes, and I'm going to also add a little amount of salt, and also not forgetting my thyme as well. Guys, I really love using thyme for my meat. Even when I'm cooking soup, anything, I really love to use thyme. So I added a little amount of water, and I'm going to be adding the water bit by bit, okay, so that the taste and everything will just like go in the meat. Yes, that's why I always like to put my water bit by bit. So after boiling it for some while, for a little, I added my dried fish, and I'm going to stir carefully and then cover again to let cook. Yes, we all know that dried fish is really hard, like it's really strong, so that's why I put it now in the start, okay, so that it will cook very well, like it won't be too hard when you are eating it. So now I added my dried pepper and crayfish. The reason why I removed the fish before is because I don't want it to scatter, okay. I'm still going to put it later on, so I'm just going to stir carefully and then cover to let cook a little before I add the banga spices. So this is the banga spices that I'm going to add. I'm going to add a little now and then add the rest later on. I have my 400 gram of palm nut, which I've already melted with hot water. So now I'm going to add it to the pot. Trust me, banga soup is very easy to prepare. It is like super easy. So after adding everything, I'm going to stir carefully. Yes, so after doing that, I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook. Lest I forgot, I am going to also add my dried fish now, the one that I removed earlier before. Yes, I'm going to put it now, and also be careful, like I'm going to stir carefully so that it will not scatter in the pot. So I'm going to add my seasoning, and after adding the seasoning, I'm going to stir carefully. So now it's time for me to add the rest of the banga spices. I'm going to add a little water, like rinse it with water and then pour in the pot. I also added a little amount of water to the soup because banga soup don't have to be too thick, okay, like it has to be light actually. Yes, so now I added my fish, my mackerel fresh fish. So after adding it, I'm going to stir carefully so that my fish will not scatter. Yes, and then I added a little amount of salt because the salt was not enough. So now I'm going to cover and let it cook. And guys, remember, I just made this video short, okay, like I didn't have to show the place that it is cooking for long, okay. So yes guys, that's how I prepared it. I made sure that the soup was really cooked, okay. Like I said before, I don't have to show everything, so you know that the food is ready, like the soup is ready when the oil is at the top. So that's it guys, that's how I prepared this delicious banga soup you are seeing here. I'm going to eat mine with tash, with correct hot tash. Yes, now, so that's it. Thank you all so much for watching from the start till the end. Please don't keep this video to yourself. Help me to share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok with the name Mama Triple N. So now it's time to eat. And guys, I really enjoyed the food. Thank you so much. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. By the way, what did you cook for Easter? Tell me in the comment section. Till then, bye.